Have you been searching for kitchen countertops, but you're struggling to find the countertop that you love within the price that you budgeted?
Have you found that replacing your countertops can cost far more than you originally anticipated?
Especially if you have to stretch that budget for other high-ticket items in your kitchen renovation.
But what if we told you there is a solution? What if there's a DIY countertop that doesn't sacrifice style, quality, or durability?
Did he just say DIY countertops?
Yes, I did.
And that's the question that I asked because I had never heard of concrete countertops and I thought he was crazy.
Well, this DIY option saves you thousands compared to quartz and granite.
We aren't against other countertop materials, but we are saying if you have to stretch that budget, a DIY project might be a good solution for you.
And you have complete freedom to customize the shape, the color, and the finish, all without relying on anyone else.
At this point, you might be thinking, that sounds like a pretty big project.
It was, if you don't have any help. I researched for hours and then weeks on all the options and the variety of concrete countertops.
And I continued to ask, are you done yet?
Eventually, I was, and now our concrete countertops are the showstopper of our home.
So much so that our friends and family asked for our help to create concrete countertops in their homes.
So after completing several of these projects, we determined there are 5 critical steps that will simplify creating concrete countertops.
Our free webinar will give you a plan to help you create these amazing countertops in your kitchen.
And in the webinar, we'll go over the 5 steps to simplify the decisions and the processes from start to finish.
One of those steps is to determine whether you have the DIY skills to create a concrete countertop.
And what are your color options?
Another one will be why you need our step-by-step process.
We'll talk about how long it will take for each step and the whole project.
And then we'll discuss the tools that you're going to need because there are specific tools that you're going to need to have success.
And at the end of the webinar, we'll have a live Q&A to answer all your questions.
We love our concrete countertops and we're glad that we did this project. And we're also glad we didn't have to take out a second mortgage in order to actually complete the kitchen renovation.
So I hope we can help you decide if concrete countertops will be the solution for your kitchen.
Click on the link that we have for the registration and join us in the webinar where you can learn how to do your own concrete countertops in your kitchen.
See you there.